Hey, here with Bruce Woodburn, and here we're knocking out some mortgage questions for you, okay? So first one I got for you, Bruce.
Yes.
What is the difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval letter?
Well, there's a big difference. A pre-qualification letter merely is a phone call with a client from a loan officer,
Mm-hmm.
a credit check, and a conversation about how much money do you make? How much money do you have in the bank? So
Yeah.
it's really not worth anything in terms of validity.
Yeah.
Where a pre-approval is, I've verified credit, I've seen pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, I've verified where the assets are, I've checked the credit, we know what your debt ratios are, we know what the loan to value is going to look like.
Yeah.
We have everything verified. If you have a divorce, I got your divorce decree. If you're self-employed, I've got your tax returns. I have everything I need to literally write a pre-approval letter.
Wow, that's pretty solid.
That is what most lenders would issue
Uh-huh.
so a buyer could go out and reasonably make an offer on a house.
Right. Is there anything better than that?
Well, there is something better. We also have something called our fast track loan approval. So you have to remember, even a pre-approval letter is written by a loan officer.
Right.
But Chris, loan officers cannot approve loans.
No.
There's not a loan officer around that can approve a loan. So how can they actually write a pre-approval letter? It's interesting, right? So only ones that can approve loans are underwriters.
Yes.
So we have what's called a fast track underwriting approval, where I'll take that pre-approval, I send it in, I have it pre-underwritten, all the conditions are met by an underwriter, and that positions your buyer to be as close to a cash buyer as you can possibly be, and you can close in 10 days. Now, when my clients are fast track underwritten, I give the seller a guarantee that I'll close that loan on time, 21 days or less, or I'll pay the seller up to $500 a day for every day we miss the closing.
Ooh, that sounds very attractive. And like you said, I mean, that's like a cash deal.
That's as close to a cash deal as you can. That's difference between pre-approval, pre-qualification, and fast track.
Yeah, excellent.